I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Figma Slides versus Keynote. We'll explore their core functionalities, highlighting where each tool shines. Figma, a web-based design platform, offers unparalleled real-time collaboration, making it ideal for design-centric teams. Keynote, Apple's dedicated presentation software, provides robust animation features and extensive media handling for polished, professional presentations. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which tool best suits your specific presentation needs. Figma truly excels in its collaborative environment. Multiple users can edit slides simultaneously, fostering efficient teamwork and feedback loops. Its deep integration with design systems ensures every presentation maintains consistent branding, from fonts to colors, across hundreds of slides. Furthermore, Figma's vast plugin ecosystem extends its capabilities, allowing for automated content generation or advanced data visualization, significantly streamlining your workflow and design process. Keynote, on the other hand, is a powerhouse for creating visually stunning presentations. Its sophisticated animation engine allows for incredibly dynamic transitions and object builds, bringing your content to life with precision. You can seamlessly integrate high-quality videos, audio, and images, ensuring a rich multimedia experience. With powerful master slides and themes, Keynote offers unparalleled control over the aesthetic and flow of your entire presentation, perfect for impactful storytelling. Deciding between Figma and Keynote depends largely on your specific requirements. If real-time collaboration, design system integration, and rapid iteration are paramount for your team, Figma is likely the superior choice. However, for crafting highly polished, animation-rich presentations with extensive media, Keynote remains an excellent option. Consider your existing workflow and the primary purpose of your slides to make the most informed decision for your next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.